Sanding and finishing are the final steps in any woodworking project, and they're essential for achieving a smooth and professional look. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of sanding and finishing for woodworking projects. Sanding is the process of removing imperfections and roughness from the surface of the wood, and it's important to use the right sandpaper and tools for the job. A belt sander is great for removing large amounts of material quickly, while a handheld orbital sander is perfect for achieving a smooth and even finish. When it comes to finishing, there are many options available, including oils, varnishes, lacquers, and polyurethane. It's important to choose the right finish for your project and to apply it correctly. We'll show you how to apply the finish evenly and how to achieve a smooth and professional look. Remember, sanding and finishing are the final steps in any woodworking project, and they're essential for achieving a smooth and professional look. Take the time to sand and finish your project correctly, and you'll be able to create a beautiful and functional piece of woodwork. Check the description below to learn woodworking from the comfort of home. Happy woodworking!